Welcome to our exploration of the need for speed in web development learning. Web development is an ever-evolving field that demands both precision and swiftness. In today's digital-first world, businesses and individuals alike require web solutions at an unprecedented pace, making it crucial for developers to learn quickly and effectively. The ability to adapt and master new technologies rapidly is not just advantageous, it's essential. This essay explores the most effective strategies and tools that accelerate the learning process for aspiring web developers. In the realm of web development, time is as valuable as technical skill. The faster a developer can learn and apply new skills, the quicker they can contribute to meaningful projects and innovations. This urgency is compounded by the constant updates and advancements in technology that can render skills obsolete if one does not keep pace. Thus, learning quickly is not merely a matter of career growth, but survival in the industry. Understanding the core of rapid learning and applying it in web development can significantly alter a developer's career trajectory. This essay will delve into foundational web technologies such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and discuss advanced tools and methodologies that streamline the learning process. With practical tips and insights, this guide aims to equip you with the knowledge to fast-track your development skills. Now, let's embrace the fundamentals: HTML and CSS. Before diving into complex programming languages and frameworks, building a strong foundation in HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, is crucial. These technologies are the backbone of the internet. They structure and style information on the web. Understanding HTML and CSS deeply provides a solid platform upon which more complex web technologies can be learned. HTML and CSS are relatively easier to learn compared to programming languages, making them excellent starting points for beginners. Resources like interactive tutorials, video lessons, and hands-on projects can significantly expedite the learning process. Websites such as Codecademy, Khan Academy, and FreeCodeCamp offer structured courses that are beginner-friendly and highly effective for grasping the basics quickly. Moreover, mastering HTML and CSS allows you to see immediate results, which can be incredibly satisfying and motivating. Experimenting with different styling and structural techniques helps reinforce learning and encourages creativity. Building simple websites and gradually increasing complexity can lead to a deeper understanding and better retention of web development principles. Moving on to JavaScript, the power behind interactive websites. JavaScript is a critical component of modern web development that enables interactive and dynamic user experiences. As a beginner, diving into JavaScript can seem daunting due to its complexity compared to HTML and CSS. However, with the right approach, you can learn JavaScript efficiently and start building interactive elements for websites. One effective method to learn JavaScript is through small, incremental projects that build on each other. Start with simple scripts like image sliders or form validations, and progressively move to more complex applications like single-page applications or real-time data manipulation. These projects not only enhance learning, but also build a portfolio that can be useful for future job opportunities. There are numerous resources available to learn JavaScript quickly. Online platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and edX offer courses that range from beginner to advanced levels. Additionally, joining JavaScript communities and forums can provide support and insights from other developers, which can accelerate the learning process. Engaging regularly with such communities and applying learned concepts in projects can sharply reduce the learning curve. Finally, let's discuss efficient learning tools for web developers. In the journey of learning web development, utilizing the right tools can make a significant difference. Integrated development environments, or IDEs, like Visual Studio Code or Atom, enhance productivity by offering powerful editing, debugging, and source code control features. These tools not only help in writing cleaner code, but also save time and reduce the likelihood of errors. Another essential set of tools are version control systems, particularly Git. Understanding how to use Git allows developers to better manage changes to their projects and collaborate with others. Platforms like GitHub offer a central hub for storing, sharing, and discussing code, making it an invaluable resource for learning and collaboration. Furthermore, web development can be significantly expedited by using code libraries and pre-written frameworks. Libraries like jQuery simplify HTML document traversing, event handling, and animation, making it much easier to develop complex applications. Similarly, CSS frameworks like Bootstrap can make responsive design much simpler, allowing developers to focus more on functionality rather than styling nuances. Section 5. Integrating frameworks and libraries. Frameworks and libraries are powerful tools that provide pre-written code to help solve common programming problems. For web developers, understanding and integrating these resources can dramatically accelerate the development process. Frameworks such as React, Angular, and Vue.js, for instance, provide robust structures for building dynamic and responsive web applications. When learning these frameworks, it's important to start with the basics and gradually move to more advanced features. Tutorials and documentation provided by the developers of these frameworks can be extremely helpful. For example, the React documentation includes concepts, guides, and a tutorial section that is updated regularly to reflect the latest best practices and features. It is also beneficial to learn from real-world projects that use these frameworks. Many open-source projects are available on platforms like GitHub, where beginners can study the code and even contribute. This practical exposure not only helps in understanding how frameworks operate in a live environment, but also improves your problem-solving and debugging skills. Section 6. Practical project-based learning. One of the most effective ways to learn web development fast is through practical project-based learning. This approach involves building actual web projects that solve real problems rather than just following theoretical tutorials. By working on projects, you can apply what you've learned in a practical setting, which enhances understanding and retention. Start with small projects like a personal blog, a portfolio website, or a simple e-commerce site. As your skills improve, scale up to more complex projects. This not only helps in consolidating your learning, but also provides a tangible outcome that can be showcased to potential employers or clients. Moreover, project-based learning encourages the development of not just technical skills, but also project management and problem-solving skills. It teaches how to research solutions, implement features, and debug issues, which are critical skills for any successful web developer. Additionally, documenting your learning and project development process can serve as a valuable reference and learning tool for future projects. The web development landscape is constantly changing, with new technologies, frameworks, and tools emerging regularly. To stay relevant and efficient in learning, it's crucial to keep abreast of these changes. Following industry news, participating in webinars, and engaging in continuous learning are vital practices for any web developer. Subscribing to newsletters from reputable web development blogs and platforms can provide regular updates on the latest trends and technology. Websites like Smashing Magazine, CSS Tricks, and JavaScript Weekly offer high-quality information that can help you stay informed and inspired. In addition to reading, attending developer conferences and meetups can be immensely beneficial. These events not only provide insights into the latest industry trends, but also offer networking opportunities that can lead to mentorship, collaboration, and even job opportunities. They also often feature workshops and sessions where you can learn new skills in a hands-on environment. Learning web development doesn't have to be a solitary journey. Engaging with other learners and experienced developers can enhance your learning experience and speed. Communities, either online or in person, provide a platform for sharing knowledge, asking questions, and receiving feedback. Online forums and communities like Stack Overflow, Reddit's web dev subreddit, and LinkedIn groups are excellent places to start. Participation in these communities allows you to learn from the experiences of others, ask for help when you're stuck, and even provide assistance, which can reinforce your own understanding. Local coding meetups and hackathons are also great for collaborative learning. These events not only allow you to apply your skills in real-world scenarios, but also help you learn to work as part of a team. Collaboration in such environments can lead to innovative solutions and can teach you how to adapt and implement feedback effectively. Effective time management is key to learning web development quickly. Setting clear goals and deadlines helps in maintaining focus and measuring progress. Use tools like Trello or Asana to organize your learning tasks and projects. These tools can help you stay on track and visualize your progress. Adopting the right learning strategies can also make a significant difference. Techniques like the Pomodoro technique, where you work for focused intervals followed by short breaks, can enhance concentration and stamina. Additionally, teaching others what you have learned can be a powerful method to reinforce your knowledge and clarify concepts. It's also important to balance learning with rest. Overloading yourself can lead to burnout, which slows down the learning process. Ensure to schedule breaks and leisure activities that help you recharge. Remember, the goal is to learn efficiently, not just quickly. Mastering web development is a journey that requires persistence and continuous learning. The strategies discussed in this essay provide a framework to accelerate your learning, but the most critical factor is your persistent effort. Embrace the challenges and setbacks as learning opportunities that forge stronger skills. Once you have a solid understanding of the basics and have applied them in practical projects, Consider diving deeper into more complex areas of web development. This could involve learning back-end technologies, exploring data security, or mastering user experience design. Each of these areas offers opportunities to further enhance your capabilities and value as a developer. Remember, the path to becoming a proficient web developer is not linear and requires ongoing education and adaptation. Leverage the resources and communities available to you and keep pushing your boundaries. With dedication and the right approach, the possibilities in the web development world are vast and rewarding.